What the fuck was that?
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's TV, that's Bisayang Vlogger TV. And yes guys, time check, it's already
What the fuck was that?
9:19 a.m. And yes guys, actually 2 hours na akong tulog today because for today's video, I'm important for today's video because we're having our team building for today. I'm so excited. And yes,
Ay, kablang ka?
I'm with JM. Hi.
Hi everyone!
Yes guys, so mag-prepare na ko kay Monto na ko taon-taon. Bye! See you later. And yes guys, hi! Welcome back! Charot. And yes guys, naglakaw na ko. As you can see, madung na ko sa mo ang meet-up place because magkita ang sa City Square today. And then, since pobre man ang bayot, maglakaw ang toyag. Well, maglakaw ko today padulong sa City Square. So let's go. See you later. Bye! So hi guys. Ako dire.
Ang limit sa tao pero ang number of hours wala.
Wala po na po.
Hi! Pag-hi sa mong vlog.
Ayos sa palay na!
Hi sa imong vlog!
Hello!
Hi everyone.
Live ka?
Hello. So this is Tina. Say hi to my vlog girl. Mag-hi, Day. Kaarte lagi ni mo, Day.
Hi!
Hi, Alita. Say hi to my vlog. Where are we going today?
I don't know.
Ate. Hi, Ate. Concepcion.
Yes!
Hi. Concepcion. Ayang pangan is pangkuan kay Mayordoma. Kayo bagka na bitang baryo bitaw nga piyesta. Hi, Ian.
Don't forget to
Hi,
subscribe.
PM. Yeah, subscribe. Asa pa man ang uban in town. Hi guys, nalibre akong Franny. Franny nga beautiful. Si Tina Bells. Nalibre siya. Og sa malamig kay mga tunamidjud. And yes guys, I'm with Gaga Karen. And we're now going to Sherwood! Charot. Guys, we're now going to una nila guys. Kay dugayan kay sila. And yes, we realize na muna na lang mi kay dugayan man sila. Nya mapalit sad mig isda. Asa ta mapalit isda gaw? Ani? Wala lagi ngituyok ta. Okay ra. Nade sa tijo oh. So hi guys, nabot na mi. Yeah! Charot. Yes guys, ni hunong sa mi guys kay mamalit mig isda. Isugba. So let's go. Let's go, let's find some fish. Sige, tijo. Ngita sa mig isda guys. Ago, kalami sa ago, kamot.
Matiti o 200.
Right guys, update. Nanam lagi si Kuya Ron.
May Kuya Ron.
Langya tong taong to, kanina pa pala.
Siya dahil na.
So ayan guys, kanina pa kami paikot-ikot papuntang Sherwood at ngayon nakita na talaga namin ang resort na ito. Malayo siya. Daw daw. Hi! Nagad mo na ako.
Ah!
Kasi tawagan na to si TM. Arte kay kasalas 10 ni muda. Ha?
1-2.
Layo kay ni. Layo dyan na kayo. And guys, we're now here at Sherwood. So mag-room tour ko niya guys, mag area tour sad. That's Sherwood Bay. That resort. Entrance for swimming is 150 per person 2 years and above.
Wait, WhatsApp number ba?
0426 ang last.
Bye for now. Lamig pa dyan siya ni Agigaw kay kanabitang ko. Nagtagpo dyan yung mga bumbel.
Initas parking area, seryoso.
Parking area.
Simbak ko na nan.
Hi guys, and finally we're here. We're finally here at Sherwood. Nandito na kami sa Sherwood. Ayoko magbisaya kasi may mga viewer kasi akong Tagalog. I want them to understand what I am talking about.
Yang imong pangan sa imong vlog.
Bisayang vlog. Sorry Tina, masuko manday ka. Okay guys, so yes. That's the owner's house. That's that one. And yes, we're now here at Sherwood. Hi Tijo.
Hi, we're here in Sherwood na.
Yeah.
Of course, we will be having fun later.
Yeah, because we're so stressed from our previous calls. Yes guys, since wala pa man mo ang mga kauban guys, so mag-quick kuan rata, quick, you know, room around, quick room around, pakitom na ko sa view and anything and everything. So na sila dira. Let's go. So init siya guys. So muna siya yung view guys nga makita dire once nga mo visit mo sa Sherwood. And the place was very linaw guys, like super linaw nga. If kanami to the point nga if ganahan mo mag-reminisce, you can go here. You can go here, you can come here. Guys. And that's yeah, the front desk. Actually napa siya dire for you know activities like for example team building na may mga activities. Aray. And yes, the place was very big, and later since wala pa kayo napakainit, so that's the pool. So later mag-tour tagtarong. Otherwise ako guys nagkinainitan. Bye for now, see you later. Hi guys. Maok ko. Liko na niya. Tiboy, siya to, kiskina ta. Hi guys, we're now here already at Sherwood. And say hi, Diana. Lagi. So hi guys, we're done with our you know, a short activity, and now we're going to getting to know each other.
Getting to know each other.
Nami activity na getting to know each other. Then yes guys, we're now about to hop in, we're now about to check in on the hotel. That's the hotel. And say hi to my vlogs. Vlogs.
Morning.
Say hi to my vlog, Alita. Tipayi, say hi to my vlog.
Hello, guys.
Timia, say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
Hi, T-boys. Tinaw. So yes, guys. See you in a bit. Bye, guys.
2, 1.
Yo! Pag guys, sa akong vlog, this Stella. So sa babaw mi, guys. Hi guys! Welcome to my channel!
Hi guys.
Say hi to my vlog!
Smash that like button.
Like and subscribe! So, maganda mi guys, kaya maligo namin sa pool. So, dadun mo na ako sa pool right now, okay? Bye! Hi guys! They're now enjoying their life in the pool.
Full life. Hi.
Hi, Timay. Hi, they're now on the pool and I'm on the pool.
Zoe, picture me ba?
Sige. They're asking me to take a picture.
So, bye, guys.
Bye guys! Hi guys! So, yes. I'm ready. Kaya nangaligo na sila sa pool. So, mag-room tour ta later. Right after maligo mi or padung na yung matug. So, may siya ko ang outfitan for today. For the pool. So, let's go!
Wala pa, wait, go.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's TV, that's Bisayang Vlogger TV. And yes guys, for today's video, we are at Sherwood! Plastic, kayo ba? We're now here at Sherwood guys, and as you can see, we are swimming! We are swimming!
Ay, kinunugo ko niya sa kuan ba, goggles ba? Mula ato yun. Siya, maglaban ka pa doon ato. Sige, paunhan na.
Lalaban kami guys!
Ato, takan siya niya para matungog. Kusog ka, may kapok ko. Tingog mo.
Ayun, dirikin mo.
Isa pa na.
Sige, 1,
1, 2, 3, go. Asa mang ta? Ay, no,
I'm the winner! Yeah!
Para ko ganahin.
And yes guys, you know, if you're stressed in your house,
Day, tanaw, day. Nice kayo.
stressed mo sa inyong balay guys, and you need mo mag-unwind, you can visit Sherwood Hood.
Dali, nagod ka ng ma-M. Tara ba?
Banto ga ni Zoom na kay kasakuan eh.
Gi-zoom na, klaro kayo. I really hate you.
Hoy, katao ka, tinaw kayo, day. Oh.
And guys, if you know, na-stress na mo sa inyong balay, doon lang mo sa Sherwood, kaya ma-stressed mo. Bye!
Bye na day.
Hi guys, so yes, I'm wet already. I'm with Jalisa. Hi Jalisa. And with the other team. And you know guys, yes, if ever nga maboard mo sa inyong balay, and if ever nga na may budget, why not try visiting Sherwood Bay? Na sila pool, and that's the view. That's the view in the pool. It's very, it's very hilom siya nga area, and good for recreation. Like, if naman mga team building, you can hold it here.
Ay, buti. Ano din siya? Sabi night na. Kana.
Ayan, na great. Yes guys, so later mag room tour ta. Pakita mo naman sa mga room. Yes, pakita mo naman. Bye for now. See you later. Hi guys, good morning. Mutap kog na. Mautag na. It's our day to hear it. It's our day to hear in Sherwood. So sa'yo kayo mga pakayot, nangaligo na sila. Too early. And yes. So mag area tour ta kay last day man ron. That's the jacuzzi. This is the big pool. They're swimming. Si hi to. Arti. And that's the bangka, guys. Let's do a quick tour. Hello, wa na dadaan ti Mayrin oh. Amita. Sana ha? Sana ka, amita ni mo. Tagay to Yan na lang mag-vlog dahil bisag unsay makita ni istorya. Oo. Ito mo ako sa view guys, kay super nice kayo ingani inyong view every morning, super nice. So unya mag room tour ta guys, kariyo mag room tour ta unya kay wala ko room tour gabi because ikapoy na jud ko sin super katugo na jud ko kaayo, so natug jud ang bakla. So unya mag room tour ta. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, yes guys, for today's video mag-invite sa room. Muna yung room sa mga girls, the bird of paradise. So let's go. Ato tanaw nilang room. Scripted ra? Yes guys, mag-invite sila room. So mga na ang pultahan nila guys. Ang pultahan is made of wood.
Yes, shingles.
Yes, and actually lock and light, yeah. Uy. Wow, perfect. So first thing guys, if mo abang mo room sa hotel. So kung musud mo hotel, i-check jud ninyo ang quality sa ilang comfort room. Uy mga jante dire. So, charan! Manilang comfort room guys. Perfect. Nailahang ko samin. Ilahang bowl. And yes, na sila shower. Dako siya. Yan na. So, pila ganibayan na nila room dahil. 2.5 rin siya guys. Good for 6 per... Jama-jama ko ani ha. Basili good for 6.
Yes, good for 6 kay tulo-tulo. Ay, pwede ka nito.
So, good for 6 person ni siya guys. And...
Ay, tungod kay COVID man siya.
Yeah, tungod kay COVID. Especially kay COVID na karon. Arte kayo dyan. Na-discount rates da guys. Then,
I'm working at a call center, so you should know how to EOP.
yeah. Sa EOP di ay. Yeah, English only policy. Niyara bitaw kaya po kasabot. So, mo ni siya guys. Na sila television. So, nga na Hindi mo kape ani? Okay. Yan na siya like mini ref. Walay sulod. Walay sulod. And yes, taguan sa disa man ako pakipon ka. For surprise! Nya blue curtains. Blue ilang team karon. And ako kayong bed guys. Ang ilang bed is maka-occupy siya og 4 person plus dapat.
I guess.
Dako Dako kayang budget guys. As in super 4 person og duha ra mo matuyok siya yung 360 degree siya dili kan duha ra. Bisag unsa applicable. Na sila extension nga bed. And na sila oh look, na sila what was this? Oh, na sila closet. Hi Nanier. Arte kayo. And na sila closet. Close. Putik. Di na ako mag-vlog. Na sila closet. Closet. And the most awaited part. The most awaited part, guys. Not ni Shalai. Open. Oy, ay ko pa ka-always yung vlog. Sherwood. Ang sa tawag ni veranda? Balcony. Di day veranda. So, ganun siya, guys. Wala, di mo maklaro, dire. So, guys, na siya. Nasa like table. Ganun. Hindi ni malak. Nagubuan dyan ako. Ay, naman, pulpultahan, dire. Yeah. Hello, anak day. Day, fresh kayo, day. Anak day.
Hi, welcome to my guys.
Anak day, kayo mo nag-fresh siya, tani. Ay, isa. Ano kayo ganun? Ko na kayo fresh. Isa. Hala, uy, ano ni Aprin? And the most awaited part, mga unami! So, mga unami guys, among pamahaw. So, let's go. So, hi guys! So, we are having our breakfast! Mukhaon ako sa lechon! So, hi, good morning gang. Dami kayong to, gabi fresh kayong na, oy. Hala, oy, mura man siya kung ano, kinilaw. Hi, mga fresh. Jake!
Gusto ko ka? Nangita pa ka na, Jake?
Wala, uy. Nga ako na tabi. O, diba? Mangaon mo dyan nga na inyong view. Mangaon mo dyan nga na inyong view. Ha? Nga na inyong view. Lami kayo ang dagat.
Lahi di ay
Ay, si Ian de, tabi ko dagat. Ay, nangyari. Picturean ka na ko na niya.